Hello everyone. Using popular AI models like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Perplexity is great. But did you know that you can take them to the next level by training them with your own data? By doing this, you can gain personalized insights and solutions that standard models cannot offer. So let's explore how to maximize the potential of AI. Welcome to EduHub AI. Today we're going to explore how to create your own AI model by training it with your own data. Whether you want to build a custom chatbot, analyze specific feedback, or automate tasks, having a model tailored to your needs can lead to better results. Let's head over to Google AI Studio, okay? Alright, Google AI Studio allows you to quickly try out different models and prompts, and making it easy to create and fine-tune your AI projects. If you haven't used it before, you need to sign up, and let's click sign in. And here we need to give consent here, and we don't have to do the others, and hit continue. Here we can ask any question we want. And we get the answer, but we are not here for this. We will be building our own model. In order to train your model, you need to have a data set, right? You can either find data set online, or you can create one for yourself. All right, so we'll actually try both today. Now first, I will go to one of the most popular platform where you can find models and data sets, which is Hugging Face. Okay, so you can simply type here Hugging Face. Actually I am there, but let me show you Hugging Face, and then the first link. So in Hugging Face, you can find AI models, data sets, and stuff. And here I will go to data sets. There are so many to choose from. You can pick whatever data set you want, depending on what application you want to do, or you can even search here. I found one data set that I'm going to use today, which is customized customer data set. All right. And here, as you see, in this data set, we have queries and responses here, right? So for example, the query is, I have a question about my bill, and the answer is, would be happy to help. Can you please provide your account number and brief description of your question? Just like this. All right, so this is the data set that I want to use, and now we're going to download it. So we can go to files and versions here. All right, and here is the folder where our data set sits. You know, this is the data set we'll be using. So as you see, this is a Parquet file. Okay, so actually we need a CSV file to train our data. So what we're going to do is we will download this, and then we will convert it to CSV. Okay, so let me click on it, and then here we will download it. Click download. Now it's downloaded. Now let's convert our file. I will go to convert Parquet to CSV. All right, let's scroll down. I will be using this convert.com. All right, so I will upload my file here. Let's make sure it is converting to CSV. Okay. All right, so let's convert. It was very quick here, and let's download it. Now our CSV file is ready. Now that we have our data set in CSV format, and let's go back to Google AI Studio, and we will click New Tuned Model. And here we're going to upload our data set. Go to upload, and this is the data set, converted version. All right. Okay, so we're going to take this use first row as headers, and here we need to click new input column. It means that these are questions, and new output columns, and these are the output columns. So let's click import And here let's give our model a name, customer AI model. It can be anything, and we'll be using Gemini 1.0, and this is the only model actually available. Let's click tune button and it will start tuning. So in a moment you will see that it started tuning and then it's in progress. I think it will take some time. I don't know, probably maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes. I'm going to pause. Yeah, here it says that, you know, it will be ready in 70 minutes. Let's pause the video and we'll continue afterwards. Now that the tuning of our model is complete, and let's test it, okay? And I'm going to copy one of the questions from our data set, all right? And let's prompt this question. First, we will prompt it in untrained model, generic Gemini model, and let's see what answer we get. So you see it doesn't understand, it doesn't know data, and it asked for further clarification. Okay, it didn't understand. But now if I try it with our trained model, okay, ask the same question, and you see it understood and it responded as, we apologize for the inconvenience and can you please provide your order number so we can investigate it. You see it's exactly the same response from our data set. I'm going to ask another question, but this time I will change the wording a bit and if to see if it can still answer. All right, so for example, the second question is I received a damaged product. Okay, this one, and we expect this response. And now I'm going to change the wording a bit. Okay, why is the product damaged? And the response is, we apologize for the inconvenience and can you please provide a photo of the damaged product and your order number so we can investigate. And here exactly the same. Can you please provide photo of damaged product? As you see, it worked, and this shows that the model can handle variations in wording, order, or style as long as the question is understandable. For the final method, we will look at creating our own data set. All right, this involves collecting and organizing data that is specific to your application. In this particular case, I created a data set, for a K-12 school's admission. So we have questions here regarding admission, enrollment, and here we have the possible answers. Okay, for example, what is the application deadline? The application deadline for our school is typically August 15, and there are so many questions relevant to the school admission. I created this data set using AI. There are many ways you can collect data. You can do a survey, you can do questionnaires and stuff. All right, so now what we can do is, in order to train our model, we can either download this as CSV, or we can directly import data from Google Sheet. This is Google Sheet, right? Once your dataset is ready, we can upload it to Google AI Studio. Let's go back to Google AI Studio and then new tuned models. And now what I'm going to do is I will click import. And here, as you see, instead of uploading, I will just select the Google Sheet. We will do exact same thing as we did before. Use the first row as headers, and then this is input, and this one is output column, and hit import. Let's give it a name. Yeah, admission model. Admission model. All right, let's start tuning. It will take some time, and I will pause the video and come back afterwards. Now that the training of our admission model is ready, and let's test it. Okay, I'm going to copy one of the questions here and ask, and the generic one doesn't know anything about it, and let's ask the same question to our trained model. Okay, so as you can see, it knows the deadline, August 15, exactly the same here. And I will ask another question. Is there an application fee? Let's copy it, and I'm going to ask, I will just change it. What is the application fee? This is the generic one, didn't understand. Let me copy the same question and paste here. The application fee is $50. That's true, that's correct. Yeah, it provided the exact answer, and this shows that our model is not only accurate but also be able to understand the context of the question. So the ability to accurately respond to variations in question demonstrates the effectiveness of our training process. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today. We've covered how to set up Google AI Studio and the importance of training your own AI model. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on AI, data science, programming, and educational technology. Also, let us know in the comments what topics you would like us to cover next. Your feedback is invaluable to us. See you soon, and remember to keep your eyes open for new AI discoveries.